Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So, kids, do you know tomorrow is 2nd October? So, why it is so important? Because on 2nd October we celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. हम 2nd October को महात्मा गांधी का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, है ना? So that is why this day is very important for us. So kids, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2nd October 1869 में हुआ था. महात्मा गांधी वॉज अ ग्रेट फ्रीडम फाइटर. महात्मा गांधी एक बहुत महान फ्रीडम फाइटर थे. ही ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ द नेशन और बापू. उन्हें हम फादर ऑफ द नेशन भी कहते हैं और प्यार से हम उन्हें बापू भी कहते हैं. महात्मा गांधी's contribution in bringing peace in the world is remarkable. महात्मा गांधी का जो वर्ल्ड में शांति फैलाने का कंट्रीब्यूशन था वो हमेशा याद रखा जाएगा. His teaching can be implemented even today to avoid conflicts and violence in the world. Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday in India as marks his respective work.
He is celebrated at Rajghat, New Delhi with lots of preparations. Prayer meetings are held at the memorial of Mahatma Gandhi. Prime Minister and President of India are present here during the prayers. Mahatma Gandhi's favorite devotional song Raghupati Raghav Rajaram is sung in his memory. And various competitions are organized in schools all over the country on occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Songs based on truth and non-violence are sung by students. Some students dress up like Gandhi ji on this day. Okay kids?
जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं और हमारे राष्ट्रपति हैं वो प्रेयर के दौरान वहाँ पे उपस्थित होते हैं. So kids, this is a little information about Gandhi ji. Now here is something more information about Gandhi ji in the video. I'll show you now and you have to listen it carefully and enjoying the video and know more about Gandhi ji. So kids, now see the video and enjoy it. Thereafter you have to do your activity in which you have to make Gandhi ji. उसमें आपको गांधी जी बनाने हैं and you have to send a picture. आपको एक picture send करनी है गांधी जी की जो आप बनाएंगे and send a video by singing Vaishnav Jan. Okay, Vaishnav Jan गाते हुए भी आप वीडियो भेजेंगे and you all have to send the video and pictures. Okay, I will choose the first, second and third one. Okay, so now see the video and enjoy it.
We all know that 2nd October is the birthday of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. But do you know he shares his birthday with another great leader of our country, the man of peace, our second Prime Minister, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji.
Oh!
There are 53 major roads in India and 48 roads outside India named after him.
Wow!
Bapu walked almost 18 kilometers a day throughout his life. This is almost equal to walking around the world twice. Although he traveled all around the world, he never traveled in an aeroplane.
Oh!
During 1921, seeing the poverty in Madurai, where people did not have clothes to wear, he gave up his clothes and started wearing only dhoti and even got his head shaved. The smiling picture of Bapu on the currency of our country is not a drawing but a mirror image of his photo captured in 1946 but was printed on the Indian rupee only after 1996.
Wow!
He was a man of non-violence and peace, yet he never received the Nobel Peace Prize for which he was nominated 5 times.
Oh!
However, as a mark of respect, the United Nations have also declared his birthday, that is 2nd October, as the International Day of Non-Violence with effect from 2007.
Wow!
Gandhiji was truly a man of simple living and high thinking, and we must always try and learn to follow his principles of truth and peace. Rightly said by our beloved Bapu, Ahimsa Parmo Dharma. And so, let us all celebrate the spirit of peace and non-violence on his birthday. Happy Gandhi Jayanti!
Let's start the activity. For activity we need a orange sheet and a white sheet and a thick layer of brown sheet and a scissors. Now first you have to make a circle with the help of any bottle cap and anything which you have in your home in round shape. Now you have to make two standing line. अब आपको इस तरह से दो standing line बनानी है. Then a sleeping line and again two standing line and a sleeping line. Okay? इस तरह से आपको ये बनाना है. Now make two small circle and two curve in the shape of kaju. Now cut it all. आपको scissors अपने parents के help से use करनी है. Now you have to make a thin layer of orange sheet and cut it. Now you have to cut the layers into pieces like this. Draw a line in this way and a sleeping line and small curve like this to make dhoti of Gandhi ji and do like this. Now make a circle and a second circle and you have to make two curves with a semicircle and a oval shape. Now make a thick line like this and cut all these things in this way. Now you can take any black button or you can take dal to make the eyes of Gandhi ji, and you have to assemble all these things in this way. You can see in the video. In this way you have to paste it. Now you have to paste the ear of Gandhi ji and paste the spectacles like this. इस तरह से आपको चश्मे को complete करना है and paste mouth. This way you have to complete the face of Gandhi ji. Now make hand in this way. और आपको गांधी जी की धोती को बनाने के लिए इस तरह से एक चोली बनानी है. उसके बाद आप इसको पेस्ट कर देंगे इस तरह से and do it like this. Fold the paper and paste the dhoti in this way. Okay. Now you have to paste the legs of Gandhi ji this way. Foot of Gandhi ji this way you have to paste. Now you have to draw it like this and fold the paper in this way and stand Gandhi ji like this. Okay? इस तरह से आप गांधी जी को बनाएंगे और उनको स्टैंड करेंगे इस तरीके से. Okay? Now our Gandhi ji is ready. Wow, it's so beautiful. देखिए गांधी जी कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So kids, you also have to make this. Okay?